performing their 2021 program, Desert Winds. Fleming Island High School is proud to present the Mighty Marching Saints from Sandalwood High School. Are the judges ready? Drum major Summer Foster, is your band ready? You may begin your show.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Aaliyah, and my country women are not free. Not free to go to school, not free to work, not free to worship as they please. Against my parents' wishes, I have decided to leave my homeland in the pursuit of my life and my freedom. Despite the many obstacles I know I will face, I know my future is just across the border. country I now call home, I am for the first time in my life truly free to be me.
Let's go, Gilroy!